In a world constantly chasing after novelty and innovation, the enduring wisdom of Proverbs 31 offers a stark contrast, echoing timeless virtues that seem almost revolutionary today. This ancient scriptural passage, often recited and revered, delineates the attributes of a virtuous woman, qualities that transcend her era to offer guidance in our own. At a time when society grapples with complex social, professional, and ethical dilemmas, the character sketch provided in Proverbs 31 reignites a conversation about foundational values that can steady modern lives amidst chaos. What if these ancient words hold the keys to integrity, leadership, and personal fulfillment that we desperately search for today? Proverbs 31, written as an acrostic poem, is traditionally attributed to King Lemuel and recounts advice his mother gave him, outlining the qualities of an Eshet Chayil, woman of valor. This passage has been variously interpreted over the ages, emerging as both a prescriptive role model and a celebratory ode to women's strength. The enduring relevance of this text lies in its deep insight into human character and its portrayal of virtues that are as applicable today as they were millennia ago. Often when we discuss Proverbs 31, the focus is on domestic virtues, yet a closer reading reveals a blueprint for broader societal engagement. Indeed, the Proverbs 31 woman is depicted not only as a nurturing figure but also as an entrepreneur, a wise investor, and a respected figure in her community. This holistic approach challenges us to expand our view of virtue beyond narrow confines. Integrity and diligence form the bedrock of the Proverbs 31 virtues, particularly evident in her dealings in the marketplace. Her dedication to her work is a powerful model for contemporary professionals who navigate the often murky waters of business ethics and personal responsibility. Today, stories of corporate scandals and ethical lapses are frequent, yet there are also many unsung heroes who, like the Proverbs 31 woman, commit to their work with honor and excellence. Consider a tech entrepreneur who prioritizes fair labor practices and sustainable materials, or a teacher who invests untiringly in her students' potential. These are the modern counterparts to the scriptural figure. Their achievements go beyond financial success. They shape a culture of integrity that can transform industries. Reflecting on Proverbs 31, it prompts us to reassess our professional lives. Are we merely working to earn, or are we contributing to a greater good? The woman described in Proverbs 31 is not only industrious, but deeply compassionate, extending her hands to the needy and speaking out for those without a voice. This blend of empathy and action offers a template for enhancing our social relationships, emphasizing kindness as much as success. In a landscape often characterized by divisiveness, tales of individuals or groups bridging gaps and fostering community spirit reflect the enduring applicability of these ancient virtues. Whether it's through volunteering, advocacy, or simply everyday acts of kindness, embodying this principle of active compassion can significantly impact society. This section of Proverbs also challenges us to look beyond our immediate circles, encouraging an inclusive approach to community building that can heal and unite in an age of isolation and disconnection. Wisdom and kindness are potent themes in Proverbs 31, with the text noting that she opens her mouth with wisdom and the teaching of kindness is on her tongue. These characteristics are fundamental to leadership that respects and uplifts others. In an era where leadership is often associated with aggression and competitiveness, the Proverbs 31 paradigm shifts the focus to mentorship, ethical decision-making, and genuine concern for others' welfare. Leaders who embody these traits create environments where creativity and ambition flourish alongside mutual respect and support. Exploring the success stories of leaders who integrate these virtues into their leadership style provides practical insights for replicating this approach in various spheres, from corporations to community organizations. Lastly, the Proverbs 31 woman's life is marked by a remarkable balance. Her physical, emotional, spiritual, and social facets are harmoniously integrated. This holistic wellness is something many yearn for in today's frenetic pace of life. Emulating her example, individuals today are finding that personal fulfillment stems from nurturing all aspects of life, not just career success or social recognition. Practices like mindfulness, balanced living, and continual learning are modern expressions of the wisdom found in Proverbs 31. Bringing these ancient virtues into personal development plans can guide us toward a more fulfilled and purposeful existence. As we draw inspiration from this scriptural passage, it becomes clear that its teachings are not only about individual excellence, but about cultivating a life that enriches others and ourselves. In conclusion, the age-old wisdom encapsulated in Proverbs 31 still resonates powerfully today, offering a blueprint for integrity, compassion, wise leadership, and personal growth. By weaving these virtues into the fabric of our daily lives, we not only honor this ancient text but also build a foundation for a more ethical and flourishing society. In a world constantly chasing after novelty and innovation, the enduring wisdom of Proverbs 31 offers a stark contrast, echoing timeless virtues that seem almost revolutionary today. This ancient scriptural passage, often recited and revered, delineates the attributes of a virtuous woman, qualities that transcend her era to offer guidance in our own. At a time when society grapples with complex social, professional, and ethical dilemmas, the character sketch provided in Proverbs 31 reignites a conversation about foundational values that can steady modern lives amidst chaos. What if these ancient words hold the keys to integrity, leadership, and personal fulfillment that we desperately search for today?